Let us see similarity of triangles. Similarity of triangles and congruency of triangles. In class 10 already we have to study similarity of triangle, but in class 9 we have studied about congruency of triangles. What is the basic difference between similarity and congruency? In congruency, if two shapes are of same shape and same size, that means if one shape of similar kind will put over another, then they will overlap. इस फिगर को इसके ऊपर रखें या इस फिगर को इसके ऊपर रखते हैं, दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे को ओवरलैप करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंसी ऑफ ट्रायंगल. बट if you take same shape but size is different, this is bigger circle, this is smaller circle, if this circle is put over this circle, then their size may differ but they are looking alike no matter whether it is small or big. So in similarity the same shape will be there but size may differ. So the basic difference between similarity and congruency is that in congruency two geometrical figures have same shape and same size, but in case of similarity two geometrical figures have only same shape but size differs. So let us see how can we prove the similarity of two figures. Here we have to study about similar triangles. So two triangles are said to be similar. Two triangles are said to be similar if we put this triangle over this triangle and if this will look like this, if this is the smaller triangle and this is the bigger triangle, if we put this triangle over this triangle, then this line will coincide with this line will coincide with this line, but it doesn't necessarily that this will overlap this line. That means if this is ABC, then this may be PQR. This may be PQR. So this AB and PQ will coincide, this PR and AC will coincide, but QR may not coincide with BC. So this is the case of the similarity. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides, ratio of corresponding sides will be equal, like AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. Also corresponding angles will be equal. Angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q and angle C equals to angle R. This is the criteria if two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides will be equal and corresponding angles will be equal. But how can we say that the two triangles are similar? This is the condition when two triangles are similar. But what are the property or criteria when we say that the two triangles are similar? The first one is angle similarity, or we can also say angle similarity. That means if any two angle of this triangle will be equal to any two angles of this triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Or any three angle of one triangle are equal to any three angles of this triangle, then by AAA similarity we can say that two triangles are similar, either AA or either AAA, because both are similar almost, because if two triangles are equal of two triangles, then naturally third angle will be equal. So by AA similarity we have to see that two angles, like we can say, suppose this is 50 degree, this angle is also 50 degree, this is 60 degree and this may be 60 degree. So the two triangles are similar, but while writing the similarity, we have to see the rotation, like ABC. This triangle ABC will be similar to RQP. Triangle RQP. Why? Because angle A will be equal to angle R, third angle. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Angle C is equals to angle P. So the first angle is equal to first one, second angle is equals to second one, and third angle is equals to third angle. And while writing the ratio, you must keep in mind the rotation, like AB will be equal to RQ, BC will be equal to QP, and AC will be equal to RP. So if two triangles are similar, then we have to write it in proper way or proper manner, so that the corresponding angle will be corresponding to the two triangles, and the ratio of side will be in the same pattern of first triangle as in the triangle of second. Moving to the second, SSS similarity is also there. SSS similarity, that means if the ratio of sides, corresponding sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding sides of another triangle, like if triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, if we have to prove that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, then this is possible if AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. That means the ratio of corresponding sides of two triangles should be equal. Let us see. If this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter, then this triangle may be like this: 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 2.5 centimeter. So let us see here. Ratio of AB by PQ is what? 2:1. Ratio of BC by QR is equals to 2:1, and ratio of AC by PR is also 2:1. So if the ratio of corresponding sides will be equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar by property of SSS similarity. Now third one is SAS similarity. SAS similarity. What does it mean? Two sides, ratio of two sides and included angle will be equal. Like for this figure we can say, if AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, BC by QR, and one angle that is between these two sides AB and BC and PQ and QR will be equal, like angle B is equals to angle Q. So if the ratio of two sides and the included angle means that lying between the two corresponding sides, these two corresponding sides. So AB and BC makes angle B, and PQ and QR makes angle Q. So if two sides correspond, ratio of two sides will be equal and also the included angle will be equal, then the triangle are said to be similar by SAS similarity. Now let us see the property. If two triangles are similar, then what other properties may lie? This is one triangle ABC and this is another triangle PQR. One more thing you have to keep in mind: if two triangles are equiangular, that is all angles of one triangle will be equal to all angles of the another triangle. If two triangles are equiangular, that means all angles will be equal. So if two triangles are equiangular, if two triangles are equiangular, then the triangles will be similar. Then triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. In this case here, if two triangles, that means ABC and PQR are equiangular, then triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. That means if these are similar, then their perpendicular bisector, or simply we can say here in first case, if this is the perpendicular AM and PN, then AB by PQ can be written as AM by PN, or we can write BC by QR is equals to AM by PN. How can we prove that? These two triangles are equiangular, then this angle is equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle 90 degree. So if these two triangles ABM and PQN are similar by A similarity, then we can write AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. AB by PQ equals to AM by PN. But since the two triangles are similar, therefore we can write AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. So combining these two equations, what we get? AB by PQ is common, therefore AM by PN equals to BC by QR. So AM by PN equals to BC by QR. That means we can say if two triangles are equiangular, then their perpendicular will be, ratio of perpendiculars will be equal to ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of perpendicular is equals to ratio of corresponding sides. Again let us see if two triangles are equiangular. Here in this case, if triangles ABC and triangle PQR are equiangular, then ratio of sides will be equal to ratio of the medians on that side. This is the median. AM and PN are the medians. This equals to this and this equals to this. So if two triangles are equiangular, then we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If these two triangles are similar, then we can write AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR. Because two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So if this is the case, AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. Now again, if AM and PN are the median, then also can we prove these triangles are similar? Let us see. This is the median, this is the sides. So if BC and QR are equal, AB by PQ and BC by QR are equal, so this line can also be written as AB by PQ equals to twice BM by twice QN. Why? Because this is the median, this AM is median, then this is equals to this. So BC can be written as twice BM and QR can be written as twice QN. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So what is left here? AB by PQ equals to BM by QN. And let us see, if two sides, corresponding sides are equal, ratio of corresponding sides are equal, and the included angle, this angle equals to this angle, angle B equals to angle Q. So two sides and one angle, two sides and the included angle, then the triangle ABM and PQN, triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN by side angle side similarity. So if two triangles are similar, then again we can write AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. AM by PN. So let us see this one and this one. AB by PQ equals to BC by QR. AB by PQ equals to AM by PN. So from 1 and 2 we can write, from 1 and 2 we can write BC by QR is equals to AM by PN. So if two triangles are equiangular, then ratio of medians is equals to ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of medians is equals to ratio of corresponding side. Similarly, we can also prove that if two triangles are equiangular, then ratio of their angle bisector, if AM and PN are the angle bisector, then also AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR, and then we will prove AB by PQ is equals to AM by PN. So in that case also this will be true. If AM and PN will be the angle bisector, then also this is true. So we have learnt here three cases. If two triangles are equiangular, then medians, ratio of medians are equal to ratio of corresponding side. Ratio of angle bisector is equals to ratio of corresponding sides, and ratio of perpendicular is also equals to ratio of their corresponding sides.